Welcome everyone. Today we are going to make a British classic. It is called the... Can't keep this up. We're making a cottage pie, people. Right, it's not a long video. Details for the ingredients are listed down below. Start off with a mirepoix. Sorry for my poor pronunciation. It's just carrots, onions and celery. Cook this on a low heat. Adding salt and pepper now speeds up the process and helps remove that moisture. Add the minced garlic and all the herbs. When you lose patience, move the veg to one side and add the minced beef. This is what makes it a cottage pie, as opposed to a shepherd's pie. When you're happy to move on, make a well in the centre, add the tomato puree and the Worcestershire sauce. At this point, just when you think everything is about to burn, you want to deglaze the base by adding red wine and beef stock. Now I know it looks like soup, but don't worry. I add Tbsp gravy granules, but you can add corn flour. Ultimately, this will thicken the sauce. Turn your heat down right down to the lowest setting and allow it to simmer. And now the hardest part for many, waiting. I know it's difficult, but you just got to take it slow. Please check for seasoning and adjust to your liking. Some things can't be rushed, and this dish is one of them. Check up on your loved ones, message them, just see how they're doing. Anyway, I digress, but keep an eye on this, don't let it burn. It has happened to me in the past, it's not fun. And the final step is to add some frozen peas. And that's it, you've made the base. Well done. What we need now is a few good taters, you know, boil them, mash them, stick them on top of your cottage pie. Final section, here we go. Oven proof dish, meat, potatoes, cheese, bosh. Design this however you like. I like mine all over the place, so when I add the cheese it's nice and crispy. This last bit's optional. I like to add a little bit of olive oil, crack some black pepper. In this particular case I have added the remaining rosemary that I had left over on top. Oven 200 degrees C, 20 minutes should do. Top shelf. And there you have it, the quintessentially British cottage pie. Need I say more? It's got a crispy top, it's warm, it's hearty, great for the winter months. I can't wait to tuck into this. Now portions wise, this will feed about 6. I like to make this on a Sunday when the family come round to visit. And this is what cooking is all about, bringing people together, just talking rubbish and having a laugh in general. And in the current times, moments like these are priceless. And at the end of the day, it's just another cooking video on the internet. And as always, thank you for watching. Till next time, Melia.